Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Canvadesign Pro. In today's video, I will guide you to get these type of watercolor effects. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Open Canva and select videos on home page. A blank video page will be opened. Now drag the image and then increase the size of the image. After you adjust the image, go to the apps. Type art water and search. Now click on the generate and replace, but make sure that you select the image. This may take a few time. Wait. It's done. Now click on the image and then edit image. Remove the background. Now click on the adjust. Scroll down and decrease the contrast. Increase shadows and increase saturation and clarity. Now go to the elements and search watercolor. Select orange color. Choose this effect. Then click layer and send backward. Adjust the picture and final result is here. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching me. Please like and subscribe my channel Canvadesign Pro.